Okay, so in October, Google will do the most pointless phone reveal of all time. Hello and welcome to P-Tech, and this is the Google Pixel 4. An entire month before Google officially announced this phone, we know everything there is to know about the Pixel 4. In fact, I think I know more about the Pixel 4 than Google do. Over the past couple of days, there's even been some hands-on videos of the Pixel 4 showing literally everything. But this actually started way back in July when Google tweeted a picture themselves of the back of the phone because there were so many leaks. And since then, it looks like everyone's had a go at leaking the Pixel 4. It's kind of like Google are accidentally leaving these phones on park benches with a sign next to it that says, "If found, please return to Google HQ, Pixel 4 internal communications. Please definitely don't tweet a picture of this Pixel 4 that we've left on the bench by mistake." It's mad. This is not surprising because this happened with the Pixel 3 last year, but we already know everything there is to know about the Pixel 4. Are you ready? We know it's got a 90Hz display, which Google are going to call a smooth display. It's got a 6.1-inch AMOLED display as well. 3,700 mAh battery, coloured power buttons, there's 3 colours. It's going to come in a white, black and orange, a Snapdragon 855 with 6GB of RAM, a base storage of 64GB, 12 megapixel main lens and 16 megapixel telephoto lens. It's going to come with Gorilla Glass 6. We know it all. In the videos, these might be prototype devices, but they're even doing comparisons between the 3 and the Pixel 4's night sight photography. Like, what else is there left to reveal? Face unlock and some gestures. Can't wait. Google can't stop people leaking things at the moment, and actually it's quite embarrassing, and it loses all of its hype when it comes to the October launch event because we've seen everything for 3 months. If the Pixel 4 is any different to anything that we know already, I will buy everybody who likes this video a Pixel 4. That's how confident I am that we know everything there is to know about this phone. I was just finishing up this video and then there's an article on The Verge this time where someone has sent us 21 more pictures of the leaked Pixel 4 XL. Look at this. It's at this point just becoming a little bit embarrassing, isn't it, for Google. There are just pictures of this phone absolutely everywhere. Who's gonna care? This one here, don't know if you can see it, I'll put it up on the screen anyway, but this one tells you every single spec about the phone. Who's leaking it? What are Google doing about it? Anyway, if you like this video, then subscribe to the channel and hit the like button as well, because if you hit the like button, if literally anything is different about the Pixel than we already know, then I'm gonna buy you all a Pixel 4 XL. We'll go for the XL, why not at this point? And until next time, see you later.